Let out some sail! Spread our wings to the wind!
Bearing dead strict!
Reef the topsails and gallants!
Pull in sails! When our anchors are full and our ranks are set, O'Reilly on Boom-a-lay. Them Liverpool Judies will never forget. O'Reilly on gone away. Goodbye, me darling. Goodbye, me hero. O'Reilly on Boom-a-lay. Goodbye, me sweetheart. Goodbye, me hero. O'Reilly on gone away. Where the rain, it is raining all the day long. O'Reilly on Boom-a-lay. And the northerly wind, it does blow so strong. O'Reilly on gone away. Goodbye, me darling. Goodbye, me dear. O'Reilly on.
There she blows! The white whale!
Goodbye, me dear. O'Reilly on.
Reef it on tops!
Out there in Ireland, paying more pay. O'Reilly on. Get bent in mill. Captain at the helm! The Colonel waits on Albany. I wonder what he has in mind for us to do next.
Us wanted to check in with Monroe. Not sign me up for the army.
No,
Cliff ahead, sir!
But I admire the Colonel's ideals and want to make them happen.
What kind of ideals?
Secure borders, prosperous farms, fair trade. We need those in these wretched colonies.
Sounds like a high-minded utopia.
It rather does. Want to help make it happen?
Colonel Monroe is an intriguing man, and he certainly seems honourable. We'll head for Albany. After that, I'll see.
Splendid. Full sail ahead, lads!
and in with rum and gin, likewise with pork and scone. They'll spend and spend and
That starts, sir.
he lies drunk on the
We're heading hard for land,
It's
sir.
all gone, it's the same old song. Get up, Jack John, sit down. Come along, me jolly brave boys.
Anchor away!
In good health, I see.
Yeah, thanks to the captain here.
'Tis a fine vessel, Captain Cormac.
Thank you, Colonel Monroe.
Master Gist, did you learn more about our conspirators and their new weapons?
Well, only that their base of operations is a French fort further downriver.
It's a little close for comfort, isn't it?
If the French have installed a fort in our territory, they are likely preparing an assault. New York could burn. Will you join us, Master Cormac?
Aye. Enough innocents have died already.
Might I suggest we improve our vessel? The Morrigan is good, but with a few more supplies, she could be unstoppable. And there's a French outpost nearby I happen to know.
I like the sound of that.
No need to get your drunken arses into trouble.
How many guests? The trade